Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure of David and Aaron. I am David. Today we are on the Queen Mary in Long Beach, California. We are going to give you a room tour of room M38. And this is what you're greeted to as you walk into this room. This is a double king with a twin bed. Very nice accommodations. A nice desk. Water bucket. Nice size television. Porthole. Windows for your view. Also comes with 2 closets with hangers. Pretty nice size room. Also have a small desk seating area. And then we go into the bathroom. Hi guys, watch that step, is just like any other cruise ship. So here is the shower tub combo. Pretty nice. Sink, toilet, and if you notice the old furnishings from back in the day. Little cubby hole area. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the room tour of the Queen Mary. So next time you come to Long Beach and you're staying aboard the Queen Mary, we'll give you an idea of what the room type looks like. Until next time guys, remember, enjoy life, make it an adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks guys.